Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian State Food series on the Health Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today's recipe is Dal Bati Churma. This is a popular dish of Rajasthan. Let's start. For dal we need 1/4 cup of masoor dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1/4 cup of split moong dal, 1/4 cup of chana dal. Wash and soak it for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we prepare bati dough. We need 3 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/3 cup of ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, take 3 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and ghee. Mix it well. Mix it till the ghee and flour mix very well together. Take warm water and make it into a stiff dough. Don't make it soft. Leave it for 20 minutes. Now back to dal. Take the soaked dal and pressure cook. Put 1 cup of water, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli, salt as required, and pressure cook the dal for 15 minutes. Now take 1 onion, finely chopped. Ten garlic cloves, finely chopped. 1 tomato, finely chopped. As you seen, dal has cooked. Now for tadka, we need in a pan add 1/3 cup of ghee. Ghee is very important in this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add chopped garlic, saute well. Add onion, mix it well. Add pinch of hing. And fry till it gets brown in color. Then add some curry leaves. Chop tomatoes. Mix it and leave it for 5 minutes in medium flame. As you see, tomato get mashed. Now add half a teaspoon of amchur powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder, one teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and mix it well. Salt as needed. Cook for 2 minutes in low flame. Then add cooked dal and give a mix. Add some water if it's required. Correct the consistency. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and cook for 2 minutes in low flame. Turn off the flame. Now again back to the batis dough. As you seen, the dough is very hard. It has to be like this. Make equal portion of the dough and roll them as you see in the video. And now ready to bake. Preheat oven on 400 and place the batis. Bake the batis for 25 minutes. Turn the bati and bake it again for 25 minutes. Batis are ready now. Make churma for this. We need 2 batis. Blend it and make it into powder. Ghee. Add it into a pan. Once the ghee is melted, add 3 cardamom. Add bati powder. Then add 4 tablespoons of almond powder. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. Give a mix for 5 minutes. Churma is ready. Put some melted ghee on batis and have it. The delicious recipe is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to Rehat Kitchen and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.